පේන්ට් කරන්න සහාය අවශ්‍යද? පේන්ටි TC ගයිඩ් එකක් නොමිලේම ලබා ගන්න මිස් කෝල් එකක් විතරක්ම දෙන්න.
The Department of Meteorology in its weather forecast today stated that showers or thunder showers are expected to occur at times in western, Sabaragamuwa, central and northwestern provinces and in the Gol and Mathura districts. It further stated that fairly heavy showers above 75 millimeters are likely at some locations in the western and Sabaragamuwa provinces and in the Kandy, Nuwara, Gol and Mathura districts. Several spells of showers are also expected to occur elsewhere in the country. The Met Department went on to say that strong winds of about 40 to 45 kilometers per hour can also be expected at times in the island. Thereby, the general public is requested to take adequate precautions to minimize damages caused by temporarily localized strong winds and lightning during thunder showers. Meanwhile, the Natural Hazards Early Warning Center of the Department of Meteorology issued its latest warning stating that the severe cyclonic storm Mocha over the east central Bay of Bengal has intensified into an extremely severe cyclonic storm. It further stated that the cyclone is much likely to move from north to northeastwards and cross the coasts of Bangladesh and North Myanmar by tomorrow noon. The Department of Meteorology issued advisory for strong winds and rough seas around the island. Due to this adverse weather condition, authorities advised the naval and fishing communities against venturing into sea areas directly affected by the cyclone until further notice. Meanwhile, the Met Department issued a warning stating it is dangerous to engage in activities in the sea areas off the coast extending from Putlam to Gol via Mana, Kankasanture, Mullativ, Trincomalee, Batiklo, Potuvil, Hambantota and Mathura. The department further requested the naval and fishing communities to be vigilant in this regard. Furthermore, the National Building Research Organization extended its early landslide warnings to several areas in 3 districts.